Hello friends, I am Roshni and I welcome you on our YouTube channel Jobs Junction, connecting talent with opportunity. Like always, we are here with another job opportunity for you. So please be with us till the end of the video. So in this video, we are going to talk about the notification released by ICSI. ICSI has released a notice to invite the career opportunities for young company secretaries. This notification is in continuation with the previous notification released. Again, there are 30 vacancies for the post of CRC executive. This is a contractual post, my friends, but the emoluments are great, and also becoming the part of ICSI itself is a great opportunity to kickstart and give a push to your career. So talking about the detail, this is a post for CRC executive, contractual basis. Candidates having minimum 1 year post qualification experience will be preferred. So the preference will be given to those who are having the post qualification experience, and when we say post qualification experience, that means the experience which is the part of your curriculum is not counted there. Number of posts are 30 here. Job location is Gurgaon, Manesar, Haryana. Central Registration Center, Corporate Bhavan, IICA, Manesar, near Gurgaon. Compensation, talking about compensation, the payout will be in range of 40,000 to 60,000, and this will depend upon the experience you have. If you are having the 2 years or more experience, then your salary will be towards 60,000. Having lesser will be in the lower range. The age on 1 October 2024, to apply for this post, you should have a maximum age of 31 years. I am again highlighting the point, this job is little specific as there are two criteria you need to clear for applying for this post. The first one is you have to be a member of ICSI. Yes, if you are not a member of ICSI, then you cannot apply for this post. The second one is you should have post qualification experience. So if you are having these two, then this is a great opportunity for you. Period of contract will be initially for 1 year, and then depending upon your performance, the period can be increased. Qualification, as I mentioned, you should be the member of Institute of Company Secretaries of India. ICSI membership is the criteria required for your eligibility. Experience, talking about experience, as I mentioned, if you are having the 2 years or more experience, then you are preferred for this job. Talking about the cutoffs for all the criterias will be counted as on 1/10/2024. That means your experience will be counted up to 1 October 2024. Your age will be counted up to 1 October 2024. Also, there is no fees for this, so you have to only apply for this position, and the application will be online up to 15th of October. Date you need to remember. The closing date for submission of online application is 15 October 2024, and you should have a authentic email ID and contact number while applying. So friends, if you are a member and you have a qualification and experience, then please go and apply for this post, because this is a great post. Do not worry about the contractual position, because if you are performing well, the period will be extended for sure. Also, if you are not eligible, you can also share this to your friends who had been a member of ICSI. This was all about this post. We always come up with these kind of information. So if you are new to our channel, you can become a part of our family by subscribing our channel. Also, you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram group for the early notification. So Job Junctions have opportunity for all, whether you are a fresher or an experienced. Thank you for watching us. We will come up again. Thank you from Jobs Junction, connecting talent with opportunity. Take care.